Hello friends, today we discuss how we can use if-else in Python. First, we see the objective. I will discuss syntax of if-else, then a program based on it, task that you can achieve, and finally, what in the next video. In Python, we write if condition, then colon sign. With indentation, we write true statement, else false statement. Two important points are else part is optional. A statement inside if else should be intended. Now I am starting the program. For program I am using IDLE. You can use IDLE 3.7 or 2.7. I am using 3.7. Go to file menu, say new file and start typing the program. Just say A, input, enter number. In 2.7, brackets are not required. Now A equal to eval A. This is to convert a string to number. Again, it is not required in 2.7. In 2.7, input function by default takes in numerical form. Now I am applying if condition. If a%2 exactly equals 0, we can say the number we have entered is even number. Else we can say it is odd number. Now the program is ready. We have to save it. You can save program anywhere. I am saving in Python folder. You can give any file name and save. Now run the program. It is asking for a number, say 12. The message is 12 is even number. Again execute the program and try with some different values like 30. So it is saying odd number. Now what you can achieve on basis of this program. In place of dividing by 2, we can divide by 4 to check whether the year is leap year or not. Similarly, we can take two numbers from user and check which is the greatest of two. We can ask user to enter cost price and selling price to find profit and loss. In next video, I will discuss multiple and nested if else. Thanks friends.